Countdown to the elections is 36 days, and now the Court of Appeal in Abuja Thursday evening upheld the primary election, which produced Udofia as the standard bearer of the party. The Court of Appeal Abuja Division has struck out the judgment delivered by Justice Agatha Okeke of the Federal High Court, Uyo, which nullified his nomination as a governorship candidate of the APC in Akwa Ibom State. The court ordered INEC to recognize Mr. Udofia as a candidate, as the appellate court granted all the relief sought by him in his appeal. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area tells us more.
On 14th November, Justice Agatha Okeke ordered the APC in Akwa Ibom State to conduct a fresh governorship election within 2 weeks, but barred Udofia from participating in the new primary election while nullifying his election. Ita Enanga was an aspirant in the primary election, had challenged the outcome of the said primary election. Mr. Enanga pressed the court to declare him the validly elected candidate of the party, arguing that Mr. Udofia was not a member of the party as of the time of the primary election. In a 3-member panel of the appellate court, led by Justice Alfreda Williams-Daudu, held that the lower court lacked the jurisdiction to entertain the suit. The lower court wrongly assumed jurisdiction over the suit, wherein Mr. Enanga filed the suit after the mandatory 14 days.
4 reliefs, and the most important of that relief is the 4th relief, which is the prayer that Udofia be recognized as the governorship candidate of the APC in Akwa Ibom State, and this court of appeal, the second highest court in the land, has granted that relief.
In another judgment, the court upheld the judgment delivered by Justice Agatha Okeke of the Federal High Court, Uyo, which dismissed the suit filed by Akan Okun, challenging the election of Umo Eno as a candidate of the PDP on grounds of forgery. Mr. Okun had prayed the court to disqualify Mr. Eno on grounds that he forged a white certificate which he submitted to INEC for the 2023 governorship election in Akwa Ibom State. Justice Okeke dismissed the suit for want of merit and awarded 15 million naira against the plaintiff. Delivering judgment, a 3-member panel of the appellate court led by Justice Alfreda Williams-Daudu upheld the judgment of the lower court, save for the award made. The court disagreed with the lower court on the award of 15 million naira made and reduced it to 5 million naira.
PDP candidates for Akwa Ibom State is Pastor Moeno. Pastor Moeno remains the PDP governorship candidate for Akwa Ibom State, and that is the position. That's what the Court of Appeal has just affirmed.
The justices of the appellate court told all parties in the 2 appeals that the copies of the judgments are ready for them to go through as the judgment was delivered in an abridged manner to save time. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.